My name is Michael, and I want to share with you my thoughts on the High Ticket Closer certification program and how it has impacted me. So I found out about the program from a video on Antonio Centeno's YouTube channel, Real Men, Real Style. And he talks about more than just style on his channel. This particular video was called How to Make 100K Fast. And that video led me over to a collaborative webinar put on by Antonio and Dan together, where they revealed the #1 secret to making big money, and that is learning how to close high-ticket deals. So this was my first exposure to Dan. I didn't really know him before, but everything that he was saying just made sense. So I signed up for the program, and I went into this thinking that I was going to be getting business lessons, that I was going to learn how to sell, how to pitch products and services, and also had the opportunity to be mentored from a multimillionaire entrepreneur, to learn from an expert, to learn from the best. And you'll have this opportunity, but I want you to know that this isn't really what Dan teaches, something completely different. He first goes over the mindset that you need. This is very important. This was probably the thing that surprised me the most about the program. I will never look at money the same way again. And once you get it, you can't go back to that former self. And the second thing that Dan teaches is the skill set that you need. And then the third thing is the actions that you need to take. So by internalizing and implementing what Dan teaches, you don't just do high-ticket closing, you become a high-ticket closer. It becomes who you are. So I want to wrap up by putting my own spin on a quote from legendary football coach Lou Holtz. For those who know HTC, no explanation is necessary. But for those who don't, no explanation will suffice. So in the meantime, follow your heart and take that first step of massive action.